Everybody is going for 10 sixes this
We don't
time.
know yet.
If an anti-CSK person is number one, then we need him to come down.
ये पहले
Ah.
सोचता है इस टाइम क्या करूंगा मैं ऐसे
इस टाइम अंडरटेकर एंट्री मारी इसने.
हाँ.
Ding, lights off. हम भी light off कर दे सब. Welcome everybody. Chai. IPL Top League number 8. How are people feeling about their chances to be in the top 6 after 8 game days?
Difficult.
Quite surprised that Samir is like so low in the scoreboard.
Yes.
Focused on number one.
Especially if an anti-CSK person is number one, then we need him to come down.
You used Claude to predict which cards will win.
I haven't done that. I feel like I could be better than Claude.
If anybody is picking batting cards this time, I'm telling you, you're going to fail. So I don't expect there to be very high scoring games, except Dharamshala maybe.
Mixed
has
bag.
to be low scoring. Overcast hai, high altitude.
How do you know it's overcast from now?
Bharat knows it.
You check the weather every day of Dharamshala. You can't be on time for the call. They check in Dharamshala weather.
Ouch.
So last match, Dharamshala, Punjab Kings scored 210. Delhi Capitals won it 216 in 19 overs. Show us your 21-point cutter. We knew 10 sixes was coming. 10 sixes. Who's hitting it?
Urvil.
Suryavanshi, Klassen.
Goodman Gill.
That's a big call.
Need that desperation now, so I think they're going to go for the kill.
Anuj is 120.
Priyansh or Suryavanshi.
Bharat's going with his thesis of Dharamshala favoring 3 wickets in an over. 21-pointer could be the deal breaker to get all you guys in the top 6. So
Yeah.
Yeah, yes.
what's your judgment for the 13 pointers?
So I changed my 21 pointer.
No,
No,
no, you cannot.
you cannot.
From next season, we should have a pre-qualifying exam for Tapri. I don't think Bharat will pass that.
Yeah.
Pulkit and Samir in one team. Bharat is a lone ranger with 26 runs. Interesting.
This is CSK.
CSK all out under 150.
I don't know. I feel bad for Rishabh Pant, but he's got to
No doubt.
come back.
Shoulders are drooping. Might play 1 or 2 fighting innings, but it's too late anyway.
Punjab was playing so well. I don't know what's happened with them for the last 4 games.
Too many catches dropped.
Take what Delhi's going to do next, which is losing this weekend.
All right, let's see your 8 pointers. Captain scores
Captain
50.
scores 50.
Yeah, that's a good one, Bharat. 22 or more runs.
Which captain will do it?
Shreyas.
Sarpanch, that's a safe pick, yeah.
Let's Pulkit the heart.
Urvil Patel, what the hell did he do, man? This weekend?
There was a mind-boggling.
I was quite surprised.
I'm not that surprised
No,
that
I-
the CSK had to inject young blood.
The whole strategy
And-
of experience is not going to work anymore for them.
When there is
Yeah.
so much talent on the bench, right?
Why isn't the experience stepping up?
Experience is too busy selling tickets. End his career the way it started. He'll come to play in the last match when it'll make no difference. He'll bat in the 19th over, first 2 balls, dot balls, then 3 boundaries, then he'll get hurt. Finished.
Are we now against Dhoni?
No, we love Dhoni.
Samir is doing reverse psychology against Dhoni, hoping he comes earlier.
The reasons why I didn't pick the 10 sixes is because I knew everybody else is going to pick that. So I'm hoping I am different enough and my guy gets there with 9 sixes and scores 120.
So actually conflicted between the 10 sixes and the 120, and I did ask Claude for it, and the probability is exactly the same for getting a 120 or a 10 sixes. So it's all about what your gut feeling is.
I wonder who designed this game, yeah.
Isn't that part of?
Yeah.
I was going to say, isn't that part of what you guys did to come up with these points?
Exactly.
Thank you, Nishita. That was not a plug. She actually independently verified this.
Yes.